So, we made it to the area of Hallstatt. So we didn't vlog the entire trip that we did so far because we all made separate videos from Dresden, Prague and Vienna.
Until now it was mostly city trips.
So we'll make city videos and best food videos, so watch those. But this is a part that we wanted to vlog.
I already have like a complete zen moment or something.
Mm-hmm.
It's like super beautiful here. The weather is amazing. It's not too hot, not too cold. We're really like at the Hallstatter See, the lake at Hallstatt. I think we are like at the very bottom of the lake when it becomes a river again.
Mm-hmm.
So we are exactly at that point, and we have an amazing hotel.
Well, let's show you, and we'll vlog, and we'll just take you on our few days here. What is it? What is it?
It's a, what do you call it, Luke?
Luke?
A Luke?
A hatch.
Hatch.
A Luke.
Yes.
Yeah, a hatch.
Because you can...
Or a shutter.
You can, it's like a window and you can look into the shower, but I don't want them to look at me when I'm in the shower.
Why can't I look at you when you're in the shower? Let me go to the shower. This is the shower.
I can just close it.
I feel a little bit shut up.
Okay.
Oh, he's opening it up again. Thank you.
Isn't it awesome?
The toilet.
The toilet.
Is it open? Yeah. Okay, go. Now I can look into when you go to the toilet. I can look in.
And now you can't.
Okay, so I know I'm a super sad person. I've just had 4 Wiener Schnitzels in Vienna. Now we arrived here in this beautiful, beautiful area with nature near Hallstatt. It is so gorgeous here. We're sitting outside on the terrace. We drove for 3.5 hours, so I'm super hungry. What did I order? Again, a Wiener Schnitzel. Because I can't help myself. I'm just addicted to these. I'm sorry. Cheers.
I have risoni with some type of mushroom, and there's also like little flower petals in the food, so it looks really nice.
Doesn't it feel like a proper holiday here? So with the sun and the
I love it.
nature and everything. The view is amazing.
And if you know us, you know we love to collect magnets from all over the world, and we just got our Hallstatt magnet, which is really nice because it's like there's like a hanging sign on the magnet. So I love it.
I always said to myself, I'm not gonna have a six-pack, but look at this apron. It might still be possible for me. Should I buy this one, Tim? Nala, should I buy this one? Should I buy this one for myself so I can have a six-pack?
Place where everybody takes their pictures in Austria. It's iconic, Hallstatt, and this view at this point where we are now, there all the pictures are taken from here. It's very touristy as well, but it's Austria. If you're here, you have to be here as well and see this beautiful view.
a typical Austrian treat.
I'm actually now having my first bite, and it already has half of it
For the food
for the
video.
vlog, but now this is from me.
Schaumrolle. Schaumrolle, which is translated as foam roll. Egg white inside, puff pastry on the outside.
Nice.
Heaven. To me, this
Never had something like this.
To me, this is heaven. No, you would expect it to be with whipped cream, but this is so much better. The sweetness of the egg foam. I love this so much.
Almost like that choco kiss inside.
Look, I bought a little fox to put in our tree. It's like metal. We have a lot of this rusty metal in our garden already. And I can put this in our tree, maybe the walnut tree. And Tim is putting it in my bag because I already bought it. This is just the one I wanted to show you.
When you're in Hallstatt, we have a secret tip for you. When you've done all the touristy things, get back in your car and drive for about 5 minutes just through the village of Hallstatt, and you get to the Malerweg, which is this amazing trail through the mountains, through the forest, with a beautiful creek next to the path, which is absolutely stunning. And there are no tourists around, so perfect to get some calm moments as well when you're in Hallstatt. Now we also know why it's called the Malerweg, because Maler means painter. And here's an infographic that shows that a lot of painters came here, I think mainly in the 18th century, to draw this amazing landscape. So now we know where the name came from. When you walk the Malerweg, you can also see a waterfall. Now in the summer there's almost no water, of course, but probably if you come in the spring, then there's a lot of water. And then we'll stream down over here under this bridge into the creek over there.
Oh, I think Nala is visiting the cows.
Oh, Nala!
Nala
Hey.
is behind the fence.
Nala!
She thinks
Hier blijven.
I'm gonna go for the cows. After the touristy hotspot of Hallstatt, this was really gorgeous. I mean, I didn't want to miss Hallstatt because it's iconic, but I love this even more. Just walking in nature with a babbling brook. Yeah, I like that. Babbling brook. Or creek, or whatever you want to call it. I liked it a lot. Now let's get some food because I'm getting hungry actually.
Again?
It's already like 6 o'clock
Yeah,
or something.
we had lunch.
And we had the Schaumrolle.
Yeah, and we had it in between today.
But we're not at a restaurant yet. It's at least like half an hour driving
where
or
will
so.
we eat?
I have no idea. We'll see.
Buongiorno.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
Buonasera is it almond? Yeah.
Yeah.
Buonasera.
Buonasera.
We found a nice pizza place. Tim wanted pizza. And it was a little walk because a lot of restaurants were already full or didn't allow dogs.
We actually parked next to this one and then they were full and we couldn't
Yeah.
go inside with Nana, so we walked all through the village. Everything was like booked or there was no food or whatever. And then we
now
came
we
back
made it.
frustrated and we wanted to leave and just eat at the supermarket. But then
Then the table opened up
the
and we were
table was
lucky.
free and then we went there.
And we're drinking Andundler, our favorite Austrian drink. Cheers. We're going to eat. Cheers. So this is the end of our first Hallstatt day. The end of our Hallstatt day. Tomorrow it will be raining a lot, so we'll have to see what we can do. It's a little bit of a bummer because we're only here for another day.
There's like so much drought and heat waves and tomorrow it's like rainy and thunderstorms.
Yeah, but at least today we took the most, we made the most out of it, right? We saw Hallstatt, so that's check on our bucket list. We did a beautiful hike, so even if tomorrow is rained down or rained away or washed away.
We have an absolutely gorgeous hotel room and the view is amazing. And we'll have breakfast for the first time on this trip.
Yeah,
actually.
I'm excited for that.
Yeah. All the time we had to prepare it ourselves or went somewhere, but now we get breakfast.
Amazing. Well, you'll see us again on a new episode of part of our road trip of the summer. Like we said, Czech Republic and Dresden and Vienna. We didn't vlog, but we made videos on what to eat and just nice surroundings. So there will be plenty of videos coming from that part of our trip. From this part of our trip, we'll be vlogging because we also like to vlog sometimes. But for now, it's time to play a little game. We brought some nice games. We love the card game version of Catan at the moment. We're really into that. We play that a lot in Vienna. And then we'll watch some Netflix show. And then go to sleep. And then we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Secret tip. Now we know where the name came from. Where the name came from. That's not English. Where the name came from. Thank you.